Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So here we have another question from the same passage, and the direction for the question is uh, answer the following questions based on the information provided below. So as we have understood the text, let's jump to the question. So the question asked here, what does the author imply about the validity of Piketty's fundamental laws of capitalism? Right. So you can say that the question is asking about author's perspective, author's perspective on what? Piketty. Piketty, Piketty's fundamental laws of capitalism and how valid or useful they are. Right. Let's look at the each choice. The first choice stated they are widely accepted and explain the trends in wealth inequality accurately. So this choice suggests that you can say that Piketty's laws are generally accepted and effectively explain wealth inequality trends. Wealth inequality trends, isn't it? However, the author's perspective is more critical, isn't it? So if we say that what option one is incorrect because the author critiques the applicability and simplicity of Piketty's law, right? Rather than accepting them as accurate and widely accepted, isn't it? So hence we consider option one is eliminated. Now, look at the second choice. The second choice stated they are overly simplistic and do not account for the complexities of wealth distribution. Now, if we look at this particular choice also, the choice reflects the author's view that what Piketty's laws might be too simplistic and fail to capture the full complexities of how wealth is distributed. So in that case, if we look into this particular choice, this choice is appropriate here. Why it is appropriate? Because the author implies that Piketty's fundamental law Piketty's fundamental law or laws of capitalism are overly simplistic and do not fully address what? You can say that do not fully address the complexities of wealth distribution, isn't it? Wealth distribution. So the author's own work challenges Piketty's conclusions, suggesting that the laws might not fully capture all the factors affecting wealth inequality. Hence, we can consider option two is the appropriate answer option here, right? So look at the choice three. Choice three stated they are controversial and have been largely discredited by economists. Now, in that case, uh, if we look into choice three, the choice three suggests that what? Suggests that Piketty's laws are widely discredited. 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 Right. So or also you can say which is an exaggeration in nature. It is an exaggeration. So the passage notes that the laws attracted attention and scrutiny, but doesn't indicate that they have been largely, um, doesn't indicate they have been largely discredited. So in that case, if I look at the choice three, so choice three is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because the passage does not state that the laws have been largely discredited by economists, right? So only that they attracted attention and scrutiny. So hence we can say option three is eliminated. Option four stated they are theoretical constructs that require further empirical validation. So in that case, if we look at the choice four also implies that what the laws are only theoretical, theoretical, right? And need more empirical evidence, which is not exactly what the author argues. The author focuses what? The author focuses more on the simplicity of the laws, right? And also you can say that um, or means the need for further validation. So in that case, we can say the author focuses more on the simplicity of the laws rather than the need for further validation. So in that case, means we can talk about option 4 is also eliminated. So option 4 is incorrect because the author doesn't argue that the laws are purely theoretical, right? But rather that they are too simplistic. So here we can eliminate option 1, 3, 4 because one stated about the author critiques the applicability and simplicity of Piketty's laws rather than accepting them as accurate and widely accepted, isn't it? So therefore, one is eliminated. Three, it is incorrect because it is stated that the passage does not state that the laws have been largely discredited, right? Largely discredited, only that they attracted attention and scrutiny. So option 4 is also incorrect because the author doesn't argue that the laws are, you can say that purely theoretical, right? Purely theoretical and untested, but rather that they are too simplistic. So in that case, we have option 2, and this option 2 is the best capture the author's view on Piketty's fundamental laws of capitalism. Hence, we can consider option 2 would be the answer. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.